Finishing from the aquarium, we rented bicycles and headed to the scenic part of Stanley Park. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Let's have fun. We began cycling through this green oasis, which is right in front of the bustling cityscape. One of the most popular ways to experience Stanley Park is by exploring the numerous landmarks located at various spots. The first landmark we came across was the very popular Totum Poles. The main area has about 9 totem poles to admire. A short ride from the Totem Poles is the statue of Jerome, a famed Vancouver runner who won a bronze medal at the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Right beside the statue is a stunning view of the city. Next stop was the 9 o'clock gun. So this gun, it shoots blank shots every 9 p.m.?
Oh, it does?
Yes. As we made our way to the east end of the park, we were treated with a great view of the harbor and the Brockton Point Lighthouse. Built in 1914, this lighthouse has a red lantern and an arched base with a walkway underneath. Throughout exploring the lighthouse, we were treated with more stunning views of the harbor. The lighthouse has been inactive since 2008. We then cycled through a thick forest. This park also has the unique and colorful replica of the figurehead of a ship called the SS Empress of Japan, which was also called the Queen of the Pacific. Across from the figurehead, we were able to spot the life-size 1972 bronze sculpture of the girl in a wetsuit. She is meant to represent Vancouver's dependence on the sea. We then got on the famous Seawall, one of the world's longest uninterrupted waterfront path. Here we also got to see the bottom view of the Lions Gate Bridge. A popular destination, the Seawall was constructed in the early 20th century. It was initially built to protect the park's shoreline from erosion and the pounding waves of the Pacific Ocean. Over time, it has evolved into a recreational haven, offering a variety of activities for people of all ages and interests. As we made our way around the seawall, we encountered the Siwash Rock. The rest of the path, we were treated with more picturesque sceneries. The last stop was the Stanley Park Rose Garden, which showcases over 3,500 rose bushes in more than 100 varieties. That concluded our cycling in Stanley Park. We returned our rented cycles and headed to the Vancouver Convention Center to get close-up views of the Seaplanes. With that, we relaxed for the rest of the evening. We were looking forward to the next day as we were going to explore more of Vancouver and the surrounding areas, including the Capilano Suspension Bridge.